right, folks, today we are making a Pimm's cup. It is very simple, very delicious, and perfect for a very hot day. All right, folks, ingredients, here we go. Don't be shy, go ahead and grab a pint glass, fill it up with ice, then we're gonna add the all-important Pimm's. This is the #1 recipe of Pimm's. It says so right on the bottle. Wikipedia tells me there are 6 total recipes. That's about as far as I read because it's delicious and it's simple and I don't ask too many questions. I don't know what it's made of. It's just good. So, next ingredient we have is our lemon wedge. Don't skip on that. And then we have our cucumber spears, and this is the best part of the drink, if I do say so myself. You won't want to lose sight of that one. And to top it all off, we have to add ginger ale. All right, assembly, here we go. Go ahead and grab your pint glass. There it is. And you're gonna want to fill it up with ice. Here we go. Alright. Now, I use my grandmother Violet's measuring technique, which is pour it until it looks right. So, that looks right. Next thing you want to do is grab your lemon wedge, give it a squeeze, plop. All right, so now let's add the all-important ginger ale. But you gotta be careful on this pour here, so take your time. And we're gonna pause right about there. Okay, next step, reach over here, grab yourself a cucumber spear / spoon. Give it a little stir. Sink that bad boy in there, and here's the trick. Grab your Pimm's again, a little dash on top to send it on its way. All right, now at this point, the next biggest decision, straw, no straw. I myself am not a straw guy, so this drink is done for me, but I will leave that decision up to you. And this is our Pimm's cup. Be safe, drink responsibly, and cheers from Pablo